So I was up here about 9.9% on my funded count. What's up, guys? So as you can see, I finally got to the end of my trading cycle in profit. I'm going to get into that at the end of this video. But first, I want to provide you some value in going over a trade recap, any ICT 2022 mentorship, what I'm working on, why I chose Funded Next express model as opposed to the evaluation model, what I'm going to be doing moving forward, and what my plans are in the future. So this was just a quick scalp that I took on NFP Friday using the target of the low-hanging fruit using the ICT 2022 YouTube model. Over here you can see relative equal highs at the 30.19 and a quarter level. As you can see, 830 NFP price jetted up. Is it going to reach in the 30.19 and a quarter level? No, it didn't. So what I was waiting for was the equities open to get into a trade. 9:30 equities open. I expected price to drop down to a PD array before in a discount before shooting up and hitting that 30.19 and a quarter level. I took my trade right here based on this fair value gap here. So what I was looking for is I saw here shift in market structure to the downside. It didn't reach up into premium for me to get in a short there, but here I saw buy side liquidity taken, so short-term high taken before moving lower. Then I saw a displacement fair value gap here, and I waited a couple candles just to see what it would do, to see if it was rejecting, and I saw the candles wicking, and then I entered on this candle right here, and I used a very short stop. Then I went for the low-hanging fruit target here, and as you can see, it actually went into the bullish order block here right before the 8:30 Judas swing up. The rest of the day went into the high of the day. What I am currently working on is the 8th of September. I've been trying to follow along with the concepts I'm learning to areas ICT is pointing out. For example, here he's saying Fed chair 9:10, I'm sitting until 9:45. And then as well, he's saying sidelined until Fed chair jawbones in the morning. What I've noticed, ICT is pointing out certain times of the day, very specific times of the day that you really got to key in on, such as 3 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 10 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 9:30 a.m. And these are all specific algorithmic times that the market's spooling towards the direction that we're looking for. So I was up here about 9.9% on my funded count, and I felt super confident in my trading, and I was extremely happy that the hard work was paying off. But I got cocky and ended up over trading and ended the trading cycle with only 4% profit at the end. Doing the math, this was still great because that meant that I was getting $600 and I was going to be risk-free. Then I got this email. I thought this was a mistake. I was like, no way. But they had a screenshot of my trades, and I reached out to my account manager to confirm. So luckily, per their rules, trading during news, during the challenge phase, within the 5 minutes, I thought it was 2 minutes, but I get my account reset to the starting balance since I was in profit, and I get to continue. So I'm extremely grateful to learn this now, and I get to continue my challenge as opposed to learning in devastating fashion if I had a funded account. So I chose the express model for a few reasons. The main highlights of the express model obviously is the 25% target. There's no time limit. You get a 15% monthly payout during the challenge phase, not after you get funded, during the challenge phase. And then you get 60% when funded and up to 90% after successfully getting 2 profit splits. And then they increase your account size. Get this, 40% a quarter if you're in profit, 10% during that quarter. Ridiculous, right? So there's no time limit on this, like I said, and a big struggle I've had has been the pressure of live trading and thinking about the money. And a lot of these YouTubers out here are going to say, you need a demo trade, back test relentlessly. But I really don't subscribe to that. Now, obviously, don't just blow money on challenges here. That's not what I'm saying. But personally, I felt like I was at a point where I've put in the time to recognize the 2022 YouTube model. What I needed to get good at was trading real money, because you can't mimic the feeling of having thousands of dollars on the line. The major benefit that I saw of the express model is that they pay 15% of the profits. So as opposed to my Forex funds or FTMO, you don't get money until you're funded. Here, I know money's on the line off rip, obviously with the $700 fee that I had to pay to get the 100K Express account, but Now every trade I'm taking, if I make 1%, I know that I'm getting $150 at the end of the trading cycle. So I felt like this would be the best way to help with my psychology because I have to train it. You have to train it, and I felt like I can afford it. And it's the most win-win scenario of any prop firm I've researched. Like the price for this 100K account is $700. If you make 4%, that's $600, and you essentially have your fee back after 1 month on only 4%. I know a lot of you out there break even like I've been because I can't get over my psychology. So I had to do this. It made complete sense to me. It was a no brainer. And after you get that 4%, you're risk free. So now if you do it again another month, now you can use that into getting another challenge account. And I just felt like this was the best way for me to finally become a profitable and funded trader. So moving forward, I'm going to continue using the 2022 YouTube model, but I need to fix the mistakes I've been making for trading, trying to trade every single session, every single day. It's too much. I proved to myself that I can manage risk, climbing from 5% drawdown all the way to 10% in profit. But now my big focus is going to be managing my emotions and becoming more disciplined than ever so I can become a funded trader. And eventually, once I'm profitable, I'll be able to start helping other people. That's the whole reason I created this channel, not to sell a course, not to sell a mentorship, but so I can give back to the ICT community that's given me so much. So if you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bells. I'm going to continue documenting my journey. So we'll see you guys next time.